Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel Art of Cooking. Today we are making the ultimate kitchen multitasker, spice plum jam. Trust me, this isn't just for your morning toast. This deep, glossy, sweet tart jar of goodness is a total secret weapon. We are talking about an instant flavor booster for your morning smoothies, a luxurious swirl for your yogurts, and a brilliant base for weekend cocktails or mocktails. What makes this jam game-changing is the spice profile, infused with warming cinnamon and star anise. We are going straight to the recipe first, using a brilliant low-effort hack that saves you tons of prep work. Let's get to the stove. And here is the best part. Do not stress about peeling these plums or digging out the pits right now. We are just slicing them right down the middle and keeping the skins completely on. Those skins give the jam its spectacular deep ruby color and tons of natural structure. Never ever throw them away. And for the recipe you will need about 1 kg plums, around 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 cinnamon stick and 2 whole star anise pods. The first step is toss your plum halves, sugar and lemon juice straight into a large heavy bottom pan. Give it a gentle mix just to coat the plums. At first it looks dry and like way too much sugar, but as the heat hits the plum, they will instantly start to weep and release their juices, dissolving that sugar into a rich syrup. Now step 2. As the plums heat up, you will notice they start to soften and release a ton of vibrant juice. Once the mixture reaches a proper rolling boil, this is your cue to drop in your cinnamon stick and star anise. Give it a quick stir to submerge those aromatics so they can start working their magic. Now the third step, reduce the heat slightly to a steady active simmer. We are going to let this cook down for about 35 to 40 minutes. During this time, you might see a bit of frothy white foam rise to the surface. Don't panic. Just take a spoon and gently skim it off. This keeps your finished jam clear and glossy. To know exactly when it's done without any guessing games, we are looking for the science-backed ideal setting temperature for jam, which is 220 degrees Fahrenheit or 104 degrees Celsius. Once it hits 220 degrees Fahrenheit, turn off the heat, fish out the cinnamon and star anise, and let the whole pot cool completely right on the counter, and transfer the jam to a large pot or pan. Now the step 4. Once the jam is cool to the touch, it's the time for my favorite part. Just go right in with clean fingers. Look at how easily the pits just separate from the cooked fruit now. They slip right out completely clean, leaving 100% of the delicious fruit behind. You can pull them all out in less than a minute. It's the easiest way to do it, and you get to keep all that rich flavor and texture from the skins. While I jar this up, a little fun history. Plums were actually one of the first fruits ever cultivated by humans, dating all the way back to ancient China and the Mediterranean. Beyond history, this stuff is a health powerhouse. Plums are packed with cell-protecting antioxidants, and by keeping the skins on, you preserve all those beneficial fibers. Plus, the cinnamon and star anise adds natural anti-inflammatory benefits. No artificial preservatives or high fructose corn syrup here, just pure spice perfection. The warmth of that cinnamon and star anise against the tart plum skin is unmatched. Hit that like button, subscribe for more effortless kitchen hacks, and let me know in the comments how are you going to use your batch. See you next time and happy cooking.